any website to create the particular ad, the option called is Google AdWords create your ads. So what is mean by Google Ads? Google Ads will be showing for anyone people searching for anything, digital marketing training, digital marketing services, anything, they're showing certain type of ads. So this ad will be how to create using Google AdWords. In this, select google.com/AdWords. Google.com/AdWords. Click for sign in. Now enter your Gmail login and password. Any Google AdWords, you can create ad will be total 5 types. Search, display, shopping, YouTube and mobile apps marketing. So in this I'm discuss about one ad to show by how to create the one Google ad using for text ad. Like this. Like this, you create. Select it. In this, your campaign structure will be created. So any campaign creation, after campaign, before campaign, you can add the amount. After campaign, before the campaign creation, you can add the amount. Amount will adding for in this billing system. They accept a total 5 options: money transfer, net banking, credit card, debit card, and Paytm and Google Pay. So select your new campaign. In this, we have totally sale purpose, lead purpose, website traffic purpose, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, and app promotion. So in this, you can select by the your main campaign. Search, display, shopping, video, apps, and smart. So in this, I'm setting for search. Search will be 3 options: website visit, phone call, app download. Which one are you looking for? I'm looking for website visit. Select your copy URL, paste it, click for continue. After enter the website URL, the campaign will be start. So Google AdWords depend on the with the website to create the campaign. So RTS. So which are you creating for? Search with the display. 2 options are eligible. So I'm creating for only for search ad. So display will be I'm disabled. Only I'm creating for search network ads. Next one, select your location. Select your location. After select your language. After select your audience. I'll perfect select by any particular audience. I'm selected by all audience. Now, what is the per day budget? 100. What are you looking for? Bidding, clicks, conversion value, or impression share. So always you can getting for more visitor to come into your website. You can go for impression share. We'll go for impression means they can see ad, they click our ad. Now, what is the can bidding for your all bidding will be here. So we'll leave this empty right now. We'll go this next one. So what are the extension will be required? Extension nothing but I'll show you. This will be extension. If is required, add your extension. Or else don't touch by your extension any option. Click for save and continue. So you are asking for present impression share target. So this will be go for clicks. Maximum CPC bid per limit. How much? 0.25. Save and continue. Next important, ad group. So which type of ad you creating for particular website? I'm creating for digital marketing. I'm promoting for digital marketing to the particular company and a particular thing. That's it. So I'm writing for here. See this. So I'm promoting for total website. You can add by the website development, customer services, any kind of things. So right now I'm adding for this keywords. So any text ad dependent by the three matches: broad match, exact match, and a phrase match. Broad match, exact match, and a phrase match. So how to select the matches? First I'm setting keywords. Each group you can add minimum 15 keywords are mandatory. Just I'm only for example purpose I'm adding only for 3 and 3 6 only for adding for 9 keywords. Save and continue. So finally create the ad. Digital marketing services. Development. Training. Select your description. Copy. Now coming to the second description. Now click for. So ad was created. The ad will showing for two places: mobile and desktop. Is a mobile, is a desktop. Scroll down. So how many ads you have create? You can create by the n number of ads. Right now I'm creating only for one ad. Click for save and continue. Final thing is your confirmation. Today I'm creating date per day 500 maximum. My clicks location Hyderabad English. I'm not creating any kind of goals. Means I'm not target the specific target areas. How many ad group? 1. How many keywords? 9. How many ads? 1. You can add the n number of ad group, n number of keywords, and n number of ads. So right now I'm creating for one ad group, 9 keywords, 1 ad. Continue to campaign. So your campaign will ready. The show option is called eligible. So we are discussing your tests are dependent by 3 matches: broad, exact, and a phrase. Broad, exact, and phrase means broad match. In a total keyword, any word will be matching. Your ad will display by the Google search results. Example, what I'm searching for? Digital marketing training. What is showing for? Digital marketing course. This is mean by broad match. So when we're matching for exact keyword, this summer training, this will be exact match. So we'll go for, what is that? So this summer training will be exactly match. This is called exact match. This one, phrase match. You can match by your phrase. This will be phrase match. This will be phrase. Why? Digital marketing training. In between the phrase, you write any kind of word. This will be broad match. Exact phrase will be exact keyword. They can count by the continuity word. Before, after, if you write anything, phrase will be accepted. Phrase will be accepted. But exact will not accept by the before keyword, after keyword, if anything writing, they will be not accepting. This is a very important. Select your ad group. So what are the keywords? How will be rating for matches? So when people searching for digital marketing agency best, the matches will be exactly match. Why? Any people searching for best digital marketing agency, our ad will be showing for where? Google search results. Now, to save amount, go for phrase and exact match. But we are generating for less leads. Generating for less leads. To generating for more lead, go for broad match. Go for broad match. So this is called create ads to create by the phrase, exact and create by the broad match. This will be created by ad using Google AdWords. Promote the particular website on Google. Any Google display by the header will be 4 ads, footer will be 3 ads. Total display by 7 ads. Any user, the ad will display only for one time to show your ad. That is for lead generation purpose.